Looking for Livestock Water System Services in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand that consistent, year-round water access is essential for keeping your livestock healthy and your farm running smoothly. Our Livestock Water System Services provide durable, frost-proof solutions designed to prevent freezing, reduce maintenance costs, and ensure efficient water distribution. Whether you need a new installation, system upgrade, or energy-efficient options like solar-powered waterers, we've got you covered. In Strathcona County, Alberta's harsh winters and fluctuating weather can lead to frozen water lines and unreliable systems. That's why we design custom solutions that keep water flowing no matter the season. With expert craftsmanship, fast service, and tailored solutions, Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for livestock water system services in Strathcona County. Want to learn more? Keep watching to see why local farmers trust us, or contact us today to schedule a consultation.